I'd like to invite the Member of Parliament for Homa Bay Town constituency to come and recognize the members of Parliament who are here in their numbers. Karibu sana, Honorable George Peter Opondo Kaluma. Just introduction.
Your Excellency, the Right Honorable Prime Minister Raila Odinga, Your Excellency Vice President Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka, all excellencies present, governors from across the country joining our Governor Homa Bay in this important occasion, deputy governors, officials from the national government led by the PSS for the relevant ministries, members of parliament in the National Assembly, members of parliament in the Senate, members of county assembly, ladies and gentlemen, and Yoturua. Amoso Uninya Saiber. Yeah, we have before you, Your Excellencies, very many members of parliament, despite it being a sitting day beginning with this morning. My singular duty is to introduce them, to recognize them, to welcome them to Homa Bay, and to honor them for their visit. And so amongst us, we have the Honorable Mark Murithi Mwenje, the MP for Embakasi West, and the Deputy Majority Whip in the National Assembly. Thank you for coming, brother. We have the Honorable John Mbadi, nominated MP through the ODM party, Azimio Coalition, and also the party chair of the Orange Democratic Movement. The Honorable Dr. James Enyikal, the MP for Seme, and a strong member of the Health Committee. I know health is tied very tightly to devolution, and the chairman of Dual. The Honorable Peter Salasia, the MP for Mumias East. Make sure your body does not move too fast towards Peter. Peter is a great investor. Welcome to Homa Bay County, Peter. The Honorable Dr. Lillian Gogo, the MP for Rangwe constituency. Thank you very much, ma'am. The Honorable Dr. Eve Akinyi Obara, the Member of Parliament for Kabondo Kasipul. The Honorable Peter Orero, the MP for Kibra, Baba's bedroom in Nairobi. Thank you, Peter, wouldn't they, for being here with us. The Honorable Martin Peters Owino, the MP for the Great Ndewa constituency. The Honorable Dr. Joyce Osogo Bensuda, Nyarpacho, the Member of Parliament representing Homa Bay County in the National Assembly. We have with us, Your Excellencies, the Honorable Andrew Okuome Adipo, the MP for Karachuonyo. Okuome nga maber manyasai malielo mos. Welcome, Honorable Okuome Adipo. The Honorable Irene Mayaka, nominated MP Nyargot through the ODM party. The Honorable Catherine Muyeka Muma. Catherine is nominated MP ODM in the Senate. And Catherine, just stand a bit. Catherine also serves as an assistant speaker from the Azimio side. Baba and the Azimio leadership present, we thank you for the honor. The Honorable Stephen Mule, the MP for Matungulu. Yeah, wherever you see the Honorable Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka, you must see the Honorable Stephen Mule somewhere behind there. The Honorable Grace Kiamba, the MP for Makueni constituency. Very strong lady, Vice President, very strong one in Parliament. The Honorable Joyce Kamene, the Member of Parliament representing Machakos County in the National Assembly. We have the Honorable Beatrice Ogola, You may be mentioned again by my brother, Senator Moses Otieno Kajwang, but Honorable Beatrice Ogola is nominated senator, and she's a daughter of the soil, Nyarkanyada, but Chindiwa. Welcome, Beatrice, and she's a great investor. The Honorable Moses Otieno Kajwang, she will recognize senators, but this is our most eloquent and visionary senator for Homa Bay County. The Honorable Peter Masara, the Member of Parliament for Suna West. Welcome to Homa Bay County. The Honorable Were Ongondo, the MP for Kasipul. And they call Achoni ODM Tokoni Polo. So tuko tayari. The Honorable Rosa Akinyi Buyu, the MP for Kisumu West. Baba, Your Excellencies, we serve with Honorable Rosa Akinyi Buyu in the Departmental Committee on National Security and Administration. A very strong lady also. We welcome you to Homa Bay. Baba, Honorable Millie Grace Odhiambo is among our senior most MPs from the county. Ought to have been here, but she's traveled to Philippines. I think she's traveling to Philippines today. So she requested we excuse you. We register apology for the absence. Mine, on behalf of all the members of Parliament, and on behalf of Homa Bay Town constituency that headquarters Homa Bay County, is to, number one, welcome you all, to welcome all investors, and to assure you there is a good reason as to why we are here as members of Parliament on a day that Parliament sits. One of the facets you need for investment and stable investment in any part of the country is the support of the political establishment of the area. So we are here to assure you that we are working together with the county government. Baba, we are working very tightly as the leadership from the region with the governor, and anything that requires to be leveraged from the national government through Parliament, we are at hand to deliver it. Be assured of political stability, and that is the reason as to why, Baba and Your Excellencies, we thank you for your presence here today. I thank you very much. Have a beautiful day. Invest in Homa Bay County, the land of endless potentials. I thank you very much.